Hello everyone, it's Rachel and welcome back to our channel. Today I have a simple recipe on how to make stuffed bell pepper. It's low in carbs, high in proteins and a rich source of vitamins. And if you want to see more videos on how to prepare different dishes and various delicacies, then be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. So let's jump right into it. For this recipe, I'll be using minced meat, tomato mix, both blended tomatoes and tomato paste, pepper, garlic, ginger, onions, Italian spice, meat spice, mozzarella cheese, and of course, bell peppers. Preheat your oven to the maximum temperature. Wash the bell peppers, then cut the top of the pepper and remove the seeds inside. There are red, green, yellow and orange bell peppers, but in this video I'm using a red one. After removing the seeds from the bell pepper, set them aside. Then grate 113 grams of mozzarella cheese and set aside as well. Now we'll be making the stuffing for our bell pepper. Put a clean saucepan on medium heat and add the minced meat. You can either use chicken minced meat, beef or pork, but my favorite one is beef and that is what I'm using in this recipe. In case you were wondering what bell peppers are made of, they are a great source of vitamin B6 and folate which can prevent anemia. They have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. They are a good source of potassium, which helps in keeping the fluids and minerals balanced in the body. They are also rich in vitamin A, which is good for eyesight. It helps with weight loss because they are low in calories and fat. It also has vitamin C, which can boost immunity. So there are loads and loads of benefits from eating bell peppers. Continue stirring the minced meat until it changes to a brown color. Then add butter or any oil of choice. Continue stirring until the whole of the butter melts. While making the stuffings for bell peppers, you can add potatoes to thicken it and other vegetables like mushrooms, zucchini, spinach, leeks, etc. You can also add corn, rice and beans too. I've even heard about couscous, so anything is possible. Add the chopped onions and continue to stir. I'm sure some people will be wondering if bell peppers are spicy or hot. No, they are not, simply because they do not contain capsaicin. Jalapeno peppers, on the other hand, contain capsaicin, which makes them very hot. That's why paprika is not hot, because it's made from dried red bell pepper. Wow, that's an interesting fact to know. Simply amazing. Add both the blended tomatoes and tomato paste to the pan. Continue stirring until everything is mixed properly. If you've watched up to this point, please click the like button because it helps our channel grow. And don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You can decide to use only fresh tomatoes or just tomato paste for this recipe. I just like the fusion of taste between the two combinations. That's why I use the two for this recipe. Now that everything is properly mixed, let's add our various ingredients. First, salt, meat spice, Italian spice, garlic and ginger, and pepper. Stir very well and allow to simmer for 10 minutes. You can add a little water to make the stuffing light if it's too thick for your liking. After it's done, scoop the stuffing into the bell pepper. This stuffing can not only be used for bell peppers alone. In case it remains, you can use it for spaghetti bolognese, lasagna filling, and if you thicken it well enough, you can use it for meat pies, chicken pie in case you used chicken mince, or you can just use it as stew for rice, beans, plantain, sweet or Irish potatoes. I mean, it's a world of endless possibilities. Add the cheese on top of the bell pepper. Cover it with the bell pepper cover and place in a baking pan. Adjust your oven temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and allow to bake for 20 minutes. While we are waiting for this to bake, let's make our keto white sauce, which will go perfectly well with these stuffed bell peppers. In a clean saucepan, pour in 2 cups of heavy cream and allow to simmer for 3 minutes. I recently opened a free WhatsApp group page where we can all discuss about our weight loss journey. We can advise each other on the best way to tackle our challenges and achieve our goals as regards to weight loss. It is also an accountability family. If you are interested, kindly follow the link in the description box to join. You are most welcome. After allowing it to simmer, add your cream cheese, then mix it properly to get a smooth paste. Make sure the cream cheese is mixed in thoroughly. There are some that can form tiny bits and pieces. In that case, you can use immersion blender to help smoothen it out. And if it's too thick, you can add a little water in it to lighten the sauce. You can also use the hand or manual whisk to mix everything together instead of this spatula I'm using here. It's more efficient that way. Add salt, nutmeg, ginger, garlic, and black pepper. Mixing everything properly and thoroughly. Make sure that all the ingredients are fully absorbed into the white sauce. Then allow to simmer for 2 minutes. This is a keto friendly sauce. You can use it with baked cauliflower, steak, 0-calorie pasta, zucchini chips, and so on. It's so versatile that even those not on keto diet can use this also. You can use it with your rice, beans, meat, pasta, anything at all. So there you have it, guys, your delicious, juicy and spicy stuffed bell pepper along with an equally tasty white sauce to go with it. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.